Hello, this is my video lab report for Lab 4 bar magnets for Physics 2. The purpose of this lab was to measure the magnetic moment of a bar magnet and measure its magnetic field. Some key physics principles we used were the Biot-Savart law and magnetic dipoles. We modeled the bar magnet as a magnetic dipole in GlowScript. Some key results were that we measured the magnitude of the magnetic moment of the bar magnet to be 16.69, and we measured the magnitude of the field at a perpendicular distance away to be 49.75 microteslas. Some key physics concepts we used were the Biot-Savart law and the magnetic field of a dipole, which are illustrated here. For our experiment, we found the magnetometer. In the smartphone, we measured the magnetic field at various distances away, and we also measured the magnetic field at a location that was a perpendicular distance away from the magnetic dipole. We collected our data and measured it in Microsoft Excel, and then we used the y-intercept of this plot to calculate the magnetic moment, which we found to be 16.69, as you can see in the coding portion. We scaled the arrows and added arrows at a few different distances. On the perpendicular axis, on the axis, and this 45 degree at a 45-degree angle away from the magnet, which you can see in the magenta. And we got that the magnitude of this magnetic moment, of this magnetic field, was within an order of magnitude as the one we measured using the magnetometer. So this was relatively accurate. If we hadn't accounted for the Earth's magnetic field, then Bx and By would have both been inaccurate due to the superposition of the magnetic field of the Earth and of the magnet. And if we stacked two magnets end to end, all of the magnitudes would have been doubled that we measured. Some possible sources of error include the magnetometer and the phone being inaccurate, interference from other objects or groups nearby, or errors in measurement or rounding. That is all. Thank you for watching my presentation.